Melissa here, bringing you more VIP magic, and tonight the magic is the Coastal Kitchen, which is our upgraded suite level dining location for you on board the Allure of the Seas with Royal Caribbean. And tonight, guess what? It is Lobster night. So we are super excited. Let me help you plan your next Royal Caribbean vacation and suite level or above, and I can get everything set up for you. You can find me at melissa@crazyimaginationtravel.com. Book with a VIP expert so you don't miss a thing. Let's go in and try the lobster and everything that the Coastal Kitchen has to offer for loft and above guests. I can't wait to have lobster. Perfect. We're about to be seated for lobster. Here we go. Ooh. Here's our beautiful table at the Coastal Kitchen with our beautiful view outside. It's lovely. The Coastal dinner is very beautiful at night. It's all lit up. All of our guests are enjoying their dinner. Oh boy, here's our dinner menu, and I'm seeing salmon sashimi, iceberg wedge. I'm seeing seared scallops. I'm seeing poached lobster, rack of lamb, gnocchi, shrimp cocktail, escargot, French onion soup. Oh my goodness, this looks great. There's the yummy bread offering and the dips. Shrimp cocktail, that looks yummy. There's the wedge salad, very nice. Look at the French onion soup.
She has onion soup.
No, but
no bread.
No bread.
All right, here we go. Now, this is my keto version of the French onion soup without the bread. It looks super yummy. Oh my. Here is the escargot. That looks lovely. So far, so good. Everything has been so tasty. Our entrees are here, and look at the lobster tail. Perfect. Oh, Austin's going to take the shell off for us. And then Ashley has the scallops. Those look yummy. Very nice. Beautiful.
I have some scallops coming as well.
Very good. That looks yummy.
Yeah.
Perfect. Here are the delicious desserts. Chocolate crunchy bar, baked Alaska, coconut tapioca. Oh my. The baked Alaska looks yummy. Chocolate bar, yummy. On. Vanilla ice cream with chocolate syrup. Yummy. Coastal Kitchen was a big hit for dinner. The lobster was great. And for your next Royal Caribbean vacation, contact Melissa VIP Magic. You can find me at melissa@crazyimaginationtravel.com. Book with a VIP expert so you don't miss a thing. And now we're going to eat this chocolate bar. See you real soon. I can't wait to serve your family.